get noticed in this 2003 Cadillac DeVille. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with a powerful 8-cylinder engine driven by an automatic transmission. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Carfax is offered to provide you with peace of mind. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Traction control. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.